Take a look at this. The West Coast getting hit by a blast of winter weather. You can see the Sierras in California covered in snow. Some areas saw several feet, which shattered December records and stranded travelers. Sean, just a crazy accumulation in some spots.
Yeah, I mean, all up and down the West Coast, but specifically the Central Sierras, record snowfall. It's not uncommon for them to get some high snow amounts here, but for December,
man, look at that.
Again, this is from the Central Sierra Snow Laboratory. They tweeted this out this morning. They may finish close to 200 inches for the month. They shattered their monthly snow record for December by some 20 inches here and had almost 39 inches in a 24-hour time period. Now, let's contrast that with here at home for December. A trace of snowfall so far, likely is going to stay that way. To date, the second warmest December on record here locally, and it's likely going to finish as the second least snowiest. And hard to make snow when you get temperatures this warm. 64 was our high today, just shy of that daily record set back in 2008 and way above average. So these are the highs today. Now, little sneaky snow chance across the northern third of the state, possible north of Lafayette, north of Marion. Could get into a little bit of slushy accumulation. Now, if you're traveling toward Michiana or Chicagoland, a better chance of seeing some snow on the ground up there. Now, I will tell you, it is going to be a dramatically different day. Okay, tomorrow it is going to be damp. It is going to be much, much colder by some 25 degrees. You'll need heavier layers and you'll need the rain gear if you're going to be outdoors. And the rain will be likely into the afternoon and the early evening. So let's set the stage with future track 13 as we start out in the morning. You may get a few hours where there's not a ton of coverage on radar. That will be short in nature. Enough lift and enough rain coming down that can cool the air enough that we could see a little burst of some wet snow. It's going to be a really fine line of where it'll be just a heavy rain and where it'll be cold enough to produce some of this snow up across the northern third of the state. Most of us, it's just going to be heavy rain. It's going to be a cold rain too. Heavy at times could produce some localized flooding, ½ to locally 2 inches of rain on the docket as we get into tomorrow. And as we show you the 7-day forecast now, 50 and foggy on Wednesday, mostly cloudy 48 on Thursday, and then New Year's Day looks a little bit wet as well and windy and highs in the upper 50s.